Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we will learn how to make a short video for YouTube in CapCut app. So let's start. I'm in my CapCut app now and I will export and I will drag and drop a file in my timeline here. Okay, now you can see the video is not fit for the shorts video. So here you can see there is an option here aspect ratio. So I will hit on that aspect ratio. Now you can see here we will choose the 9:16 9:16 ratio. Now you can see the video is fit for the any shorts. Now you can test here the how it looks like in TikTok or YouTube shorts. YouTube shorts view it and TikTok, okay, and Instagram reels. Okay, now we will make the height of this video a bit to fit the height and width. So let's change it. So I would hit on the video, or you can hit on the video here, and here you can see there is option here scale, and under the scale you can see here uniform scale. I will close it, and now there is another option here scale height. So I will drag it and drag it to right and make the height fit to the screen. Okay, now we will increase the scale width here. So okay, if you think the element or the character a bit left here, so you can drag it a bit right here and fit to the screen. Okay, now let's play it. Perfect. I think it is perfect for any shorts. You can post it now in Instagram, TikTok or YouTube shorts.